So you've learned a few different breathing techniques, and remember, there's going to be extra videos, bonus videos that go more into depth about these breathing techniques. You'll find them in the bonus section, and you can follow along with the guided tutorials that help you to get a better description than the short version I'm giving you here. So there's going to be a lot more information in those videos. Check it out, follow along, and start to bring that practice into your daily life. Now, what about the time that you want to get the erection? What are you going to do if you have a date coming and you're going to spend the evening with a partner? Well, it depends on the state of mind and energy level that you are in before the date starts. As I mentioned, the best way to get nitric oxide into the body, which helps with an erection, is that humming breath. So before a big date, you might want to do 10 to 15 minutes of humming breath to open the body. You know, even breathing with your partner, you don't have to do anything extraordinary or extravagant, but when you sit together and start to connect on a subtle level by breathing together, this helps to get both of you calm. It helps you to be more intimate. Now, it depends on the relationship you have with this partner that you're about to engage with. It might not always be appropriate, but if you're in a longer term relationship, bringing breathing into your practices of intimacy, practice might be a little bit of a dry word, but your dance of getting together sensually, when you breathe together before, during, and or after making love, this is an incredible way to connect to your partner, and it helps you bring each other into harmony with that rhythm of breath, harmonizing you on the subtle energy level, the physical level of breathing together, and it helps to calm the emotions and mind, which is a wonderful way to enter into a sensual experience. But what if you want to fire things up? You can also do that fire breath that I just taught you in the last section. You can do the fire breath, and that'll get you pumped up. If you're having a long day and you're already tired before the date starts, do some fire breath and get into the mood by charging yourself and awakening all of your senses that then you can bring into the experience that you have with your partner.